Okay, so welcome to lecture 7, and this is looking at what is price action and why is it so important. Okay, so a brief summary of what price action is essentially studying previous movement of price on a chart to try and make an estimate of what is going to happen in the future. Okay, so essentially it encompasses everything we do as technical analysis. Okay, so in the markets you have different types of traders. You have people who trade by fundamentals. Okay. And this is mainly going to be in your stock pairs. This is going to be in, it works in crypto as well. People trade in the fundamentals of different projects, okay? They're looking at what is a project doing? Do they think the project is going to scale well into the future? They're going to be looking at statistics in terms of, how much money they're making, their revenue, just looking into the company in detail and kind of figuring out a bias to take into the longer term. So that's fundamental trading. What we do, what I like to show in my Discord and everything we do as traders here is technical trading, okay? So this, all it is looking at what has happened in the past and trying to extrapolate some information to the future to try and make a prediction and to try and extract value out of the market by doing so, okay? People compare traders to weather forecasters, and it does work in a very similar way. Okay, so when people are trying to predict the weather, all they can do is look back on previous data and try and infer what they expect to happen from the given set of circumstances by looking at what has happened in similar times in the past. And obviously it's much more complex than that, and now it's all done by computers. But that's all it is. We are forecasters as traders. We're trying to forecast what is going to happen. If we're short-term traders, we're going to be looking at what's going to happen on the daily time frame. If we're longer-term swing traders, we're going to be looking to see what's going to happen on the weekly and the monthly time frame. So that is what price action is, okay? And there's going to be a bunch of different methodologies that we're going to be looking at, and different tools we can use to analyze price action and to try and come to as clear of a picture as we possibly can going forwards. So I hope that's worked well as an introduction, and now let's get into it.